several customers a day call, and the first question they ask is, hey, are y'all open, or are y'all still selling grass? And they're implying that we must close as the temperatures go down and the grass goes dormant, that we quit selling grass. That is, in fact, never ever the case. We cut and sell grass year-round here. We close for the week of Thanksgiving and the week between Christmas and New Year's. Other than that, you can call Houston Grass and order grass. That being said, if you choose to put grass down this time of year, we're getting late enough to where it just may not there may not be enough warm days between now and the time the grass goes dormant, which is brown, to put down some roots, which is fine. If I'm looking at a new yard full of dirt, or a yard that was hit really hard by chinch bugs over the summer, and I either have to look at this ugly weed-infested backyard that's got dirt in it and whatnot, or I go ahead and replace it, I'm going to replace the grass. It's not going to hurt a thing. The only stipulation is you have to be able to keep the heavy traffic off of it for the winter. Because what you're going to do, you're just going to put this grass out there, and it's basically just going to lay there. You're still going to water it in real well, but it's not going to take a whole lot of water at all, of course, while it's laying there not growing. You just want to keep it moist. Usually Mother Nature provides enough moisture during the winter months that you don't have to water. So most people, that's why we can turn all our irrigation systems off here in about a month. But it does, every couple of weeks, the grass does need water, new grass and established grass. So you don't want to ever let it dry out totally. But anyway, if you're going to have back to the traffic thing, if you're going to have heavy people or dog traffic, those are the two primary culprits as far as traffic goes, then you would probably want to, in that case, you would probably want to wait till the grass is growing again in the spring. Other than that, if you can keep the heavy traffic off of it, you can go ahead and lay that grass, whether it's brown, a little green, half and half, whatever. You can put it out there, water it in real well. That grass will sit there until next spring. And who knows, if we get enough warm days, we get a warm November or something, which is not unheard of in this part of the world, the grass would still have plenty of time to put down roots and be just fine. We do sell grass year-round. A lot of people do. I will say that they'll start asking now, is the grass super green right now? Nope, it is not. The answer is definitely not. The grass looks like everything else outside right now. It's still way more than 50% green, but it's starting to get a little bit of brown in it. That those cooler nighttime temperatures and whatnot are starting to take a toll on the grass, and you are starting to see a little brown in the blocks. Is it 100% green? Absolutely not. Is it still really pretty good-looking grass? Yes, it is. And will it be just fine and come out beautiful in the spring? Absolutely will.